Hey, Nathan, we're here at KFC. KFC! Dine-in pick-up.
Dine-in na lang natin. Wala nga silang rice.
Rice bowl na.
Rice bowl.
Pwede mo order rice.
Boneless chicken. Fried chicken skin. Nugget. Butter biscuits. Corn salad.
Fried chicken skin mo chicken.
Chicken. Tongdari. Ano ba yung tongdari?
Ha?
Tongdari. Ito. Tongdari chicken. 3 piece. Okay. Chicken thigh. Sweet and spicy. Chicken meal. Smoky mustard sauce. Spicy. Order kami KFC. Binayaran ko 6,300 for snacks, corn salad, tapos yung sauce, mustard, tsaka chicken. Yan lang, snacks lang.